Hey everybody, this is a pretty exciting day for me because I can now say I have hiked up and into a cinder cone volcano. So we are at the bottom of the cinder cone right now. I'm actually holding some pumice that we talk about in class. You can see all of those little holes where all the gases get in. Even though this is a pretty large rock, you can see it's covering most of my hand. It's very light from all of that air and that was in it when it formed. So we are down in the crater of the volcano. I'm going to talk a little bit about how cinder cones form while we kind of span around here. But cinder cone volcanoes form when gas-rich magma explosively erupts from a single vent. And this eruption is full of scoria or cinders, which are irregular shaped, highly vascular. It's like a rocky sponge, which cool and fall in a cone shape surrounding the vent. As the debris builds up around the central vent, the conical shape forms through the falling debris and rock slides. And cinder cones usually have very short periods of activity where they erupt until the vent becomes blocked by the rock. And you can just see the different types of rock everywhere. They're really soft. Kind of walking in, it felt a little bit like crunching in some snow if you've ever had that experience before. So it's a really, really neat experience. If you ever get to come out here to California and do this hike, I definitely recommend it to you. But glad that I could share my experience with you as we learn about this together. And I'm going to show you some pictures of the vents. I'll add them to this video so you can see just how deep the vent goes underneath the ground. I think